Hello everybody. Today we're going to talk about how to recover deleted Instagram account. For accounts deleted within the 30-day window, go to the login page on the Instagram app or website. Enter the username, email, or phone number associated with the account along with the password. Click the login button and look for a message indicating a deletion request was made and a date by which you must keep the account. Select Keep Account to restore it, and you may need to log in again to confirm. If your account was permanently deleted or you can't log in, contact Instagram support. Visit the Instagram Help Center to find the Report a Hacked Account or other support pages to submit a request for account reactivation. Email Instagram support at support@instagram.com. Clearly state your username and request to reactivate the account, explaining that you accidentally deleted it. Send it from the email address associated with the account. That's it. Thanks for watching.